Doji. Let's check what's a doji. Doji is also a candlestick, but the main feature of doji is that the open price and the closing price is same. As you can see, market open here, made a high, made a low, and ultimately close at the same opening price. So there is no body, there is just a line. You can see market made a high here, low here, and open and close is the same. There are several types of dojis. Let me show you. So this is a common doji where the wicks are almost similar in size. This is a long leg doji where see market went up, went down, legs are quite long, open and close price same in the middle. This is a gravestone doji. Market opened here, went up, the price could not sustain, came down and closed here. In a gravestone doji, open price, closing price and the low price is the same, only the high price is different. It's a dragonfly doji. Market opened here, went down, the buyers pulled the price and closed it at the opening price, and which is also the highest price. Open, close, high same, only the lowest price is different. So these are typical dojis. Just remember, in doji, open price is equal to closing price. Market is in downtrend, and see, this is a doji. This is also a doji. Generally, doji does not signify a trend change, because in a doji, doji mainly tells us that there is an indecision going on in the market. If you suppose there is a suppose in a market is an uptrend, the price is going up, up and up, and if you spot a doji, so means that at that particular point of time there is an indecision going on in the market. So if you spot a doji, that doesn't mean that market is about to reverse. Maybe after the indecision, market may continue the trend. So mainly doji signifies indecision. So this is how dojis look like in a typical market. This is a long leg doji, these are long leg dojis. You can see this is a doji. This look like a hammer, but no, this is a doji because they see there is an upper wick also. This is a long leg doji. This is also a doji. These are dojis. So whenever you see a doji, yes, there is a possibility of trend reversal, but mainly doji signifies indecision in the market. So this is how a doji looks like. Hopefully you have understood the purpose of doji. Doji signifies the indecision. As we all know, green candle signifies the dominance of the buyers. Red candle tells us the dominance of the sellers. But doji tells us the indecision. That's it. See you in next lesson.